Hi, it's Ellie Sweet L here, and today I'm going to do a lather test for Wicked Scentuals soaps. I picked out one of her cold process soap and one of her hot process soap, and I'm going to lather them in two ways. One is in using my bare hands, and the other one using my soap nets, like this. I started using these soap nets because I've got a complicated skin which, I don't know if it's called eczema or not, but I get redness, itchiness, I get swollen up, like my skin swells up, kind of, whenever I get too much, stresses or I get stressed out, then it comes out. And well, I'm on a medication, but they only relieves me for 24 hours, so it's not helping me much. So the more lather or foam I have between the puff or sponges or whatever I use to wash my body with, I don't have to rub my skin so hard. So it's kind of helping me, I think. Okay, let's just get started. This is one of her hot process soap called Ciao. I'm going to use this one. I just get it wet. Sorry about the water noise. I get the bubbles so easily. It lathers up so easily. See? Can you see the bubbles? No effort at all. Okay, and now I'm going to use my soap nets. What I do is I just pop my soap in there and wet them and rub a few times, and it just makes tons of bubbles. And I just wash my body with this. Look at how much bubble it makes. See? Ooh. So nice and smooth. Her lather is very light. Sometimes, some soaps have got heavy, rich, foamed, whipped cream type of forms, but these are much lighter, very light. I don't know if I'm using the appropriate words to describe the texture, but I'm trying my best. Yes, they are very light. Okay. I'm gonna rinse it off. And with her hot process soap, I don't know if it's this particular scent, but the scent stays, it stayed on my skin for like easily 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I got out of the shower, I could easily tell which soap I used. So that's pretty strong for me, I think. And it doesn't dry my skin out or anything. I know it's summer in Japan right now and it's hot and humid, but yeah, I don't need any body creams or lotions or anything after my bath. So they are working very well on my skin, I think. Very gentle. And okay, this is her cold process soap called Aquamarine, and I'm going to use this one. Wet it again, just a few rubs, and I get tons of bubbles. See, I find her cold process soaps creates much more finer bubbles. I think fine bubbles. Her hot process soaps are more like bubbly and softer. Okay, now onto my sock net. And I think this Aquamarine was a bit lightly scented, so I hardly had much scent ringer on my skin. But it's always good when you have got your favorite creams or lotions, so their scents won't fight. Okay, this is how much bubble it creates. Again, it's very light, not like heavy, rich lather, but very light and very pleasing. Okay. So whippy and nice. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, and again, it leaves my skin so soft and smooth, both of her soaps, and yeah, very silky, non-drying, moisturizing, very nice soaps. You should definitely check her soaps out because I find them very pleasing on my skin. Okay, I'm going to leave her details in the description box, so check them out if you are interested. She should be back opening her Etsy shop soon, because it's September now, so check them out. And thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.